Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter W from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start in the center and let's draw a curve here. And then from the sides, let's angle it down. Then from the bottom, let's angle it back up, stopping about halfway. And the same on the right. Now from the sides, let's bring it out. Now from the center, let's hop down and draw two curves, down and out. And now let's close off each side with angled lines. And that's it for the shape of the W. Now let's move in and draw the eyes. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a rounded rectangle overlapping the edge. And now let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's erase those overlapping lines inside. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curve. And now from the top, let's add a rectangle inside each eye. And lastly, two eyelashes from the outside. Okay, now let's move to the center and draw another rounded rectangle for the third eye. And again, let's erase the overlapping line inside. Now let's add a fourth eye tucked in behind it on the right. And now lines across the center of each eye. And then a rounded rectangle from the top. And now let's add two eyelashes on the top left of the left eye. And that's it for the eyes. Let's add the mouths next. On the left side, let's draw a curve, down, and back around like this. And the same thing on the right. And now inside each mouth, let's draw two lines. And that's it for the letter W. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!